Museum of Natural Science wanted to reach the kids of HISD. We are actually the HISD's museum. We're sitting right in the middle of the district. We can't get everybody, but the plan was, let's try to catch every kid when they're in the 4th grade. The 4th grade program is designed to be something so that we can say that every kid in HISD has a chance, has an opportunity to know what a museum is, what a museum experience is like, how to take the content we're supposed to be teaching at 4th grade and make it part of a museum experience, make it more interactive in a different way because we're a museum. And that's how the program started. It began soon after the planetarium opened, which was in 1964. The program adapts to the curriculum. So that happens all the time. They turn out new standards, they decide to teach things in a different way, in a different order, we adapt. We've discovered this year, for instance, as a change, that we're teaching seasons at 4th grade. More than just introducing, but really working on why we have seasons. Well, that's something we can uniquely do in a planetarium because the kids can see how the sun moves across the sky in the summer, how it moves in the winter, and they can figure it out why we're hotter in summer. What about the sun makes it so? By the way, it's the height of the sun in the sky. But it's hard, when you say that sentence, it doesn't mean much. But when you can show it and the kids can tell you what they're seeing, they're more likely to retain it. We also think that for teachers, one more hands-on activity is great because it's hard to get the materials. Well, we have them. We have unique materials we get out of our collections. So our goal is to make science more real, science more exciting. I think most importantly, science more doable. We want the kids to think, I can do science. We also encourage every parent who wants to come at no extra charge. They go with the kids. They see their kids getting excited. They see their kids asking wonderful questions on the tours. And I think they begin to realize this is something their kids could be. And nothing is better than a parent to support having the kids do something as wonderful as science. And that's why we try to engage the parents as well as the kids whenever we can. So I think more than anything else, with the planetarium, with the unique experience of seeing our dinosaurs, our wildlife, whatever halls the kids value, whatever the halls the docents take them to, plus what they do in the classroom, we're trying to create a memory, create an exciting moment, creating something they'll bring their kids to, creating an idea that says life is exciting. There's so much to learn and so much to know and so much to experience, and you can start right here.